Okay, so then the last two questions, the first one's not so bad. Let's try this one here. If I had 5 cards and I needed 3 to be hearts and 2 to be spades, and what do you think?
13C 3 times 13C 2.
Okay. So far it's pretty clear that you need to cheat off of Andrew today. He's right with it on combinations anyways. So 13 are hearts. You choose 3 of them. 13 are spades. Choose 2 of them. Now I have 5 cards that are all hearts and spades. Okay, so let's try to talk. Let's see how good your common sense skills are. I'm going to give you a minute to work on this. You really have to be meticulous. You have to think, have I properly done this? One way you might be able to convince yourself is if you've done it properly, then you'd be able to tell someone to follow your steps with them not knowing that you wanted them to pick 4 of a kind out of a deck of cards. So for example, if I put a deck of cards in front of you and I follow your choices, I should be able to pull out 4 of a kind without you explicitly saying, I want you to take 4 of a kind out. So you have to be very, very careful that you don't forget a step, or otherwise I might not do the proper instructions. Okay, so I'll give you a minute, and if you're not sure what I'm talking about, just wait and you'll see. But, oh, sorry, yeah, 4 of a kind, that's like ace, 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 right? Or jack, 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 jack. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, here's my deck of cards. So explain to me, what do I have to do here to come up with well, I did take out the jokers, but that's correct. I certainly would have to take out the jokers. Okay, but I got my deck of cards here, so what's the first thing I have to do?
There's 13 4 of a kinds that you could have.
13 4 of a kinds. Okay, how can I use that information to answer this problem?
Well, there's 13 4 of a kinds, and you have to pick one of them.
Okay, that's excellent. If people forgot that, then they're gonna. That's one key part of the problem. I'm gonna go for 4 of a kind, but first of all, I have to go like this and run my finger along the deck and pull out a 6. Okay, first thing I need to do is know, what am I looking for? So there's 13 choices, pick one of them. Okay, 13, this is the one possibility that I pulled out. Now that I know it's a 6, what's my job to do now?
Get all the other 6s.
All the other 6s. So there are 4 possible 6s, choose all of them. So here's what I do then, I go through the deck, and let's see here, another 6 there, and okay, so now I have all 4 of them. Okay, am I done?
No, you need one more.
Now?
There's 48 left, and you have to pick one of them.
That's exactly right. There's 4 in my hand right now, which means there's 48 on the table here. So I get to pick any one I want. 8 of diamonds, I guess we'll do. That's my last card. So that means there's 48, choose 1 for the last card in my hand. Okay, so this is the tricky part, was picking the 4 of a kind, right? A lot of people usually forget this one here, because they say, oh, there's 4 6s, choose 4. But you forgot to say there's 13 possibilities in the beginning of it. Okay, so that's going to be us for today. I'll show you what's in the homework.